Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is mechanics of particle. Mechanics of particles. First, to understand what is mechanics means observing the motion of a macroscopic object with using the law of physics. What is whose law of physics? Only Newton mechanics law uses for the observing motion of macroscopic object. This is called mechanics. Mean mechanics is the foundation of pure and applied science, especially mathematics and physics. Here we discuss mechanics of particles. Let r be the radius of particles from some given origin v its vector velocity. We know that velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Velocity. Initial and final with respect to time is called velocity. And how we define linear momentums from this linear momentum? We know that linear momentums means the particle is defining as the product of mass and velocity is called linear velocity. A frame of references in which equation is valid means the frame of reference in which this equation is valid is called an inertials or Galileans. Okay, and how we defines the Newton's second law from this? We know that the force is equal to rate of change of linear momentum is called Newton's second law. Means is equal to, we also define this. Here we considered this in this way, means we write the derivative r in dot mean the derivative of r is called velocity. We also write in this way, and we also write p mean the derivative of p is equal to dot mean derivatives. Okay, for shortly use dot. Okay, understand? And we know that what is momentum is equal to mv, and this is m dt and v. We know that the rate of change of velocity is equal to acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration means the double derivative of distance is called acceleration. Then how we define again the Newton's second law from momentum? The mechanics of the particle is containing in Newton's second law of motion. We also define this. But here we again consider the conservation's theorem for the linear momentum of particles. What is the conservation theorem of linear momentum of the particles? We know that this is the momentums. The rate of change of momentum of linear momentum is equal to Newton's second law. F is equal to m is a constant, then we only derivative of v. This is equal to dp over dt. But Newton's second law, this is Newton's second law. In the absence of external force, then force is equal to 0. In the absence of force, F is equal to 0. Then we write in this way. If this is equal to 0, that's we considered P is equal to constant. If external momentum is 0, then P is conserves. This is total linear momentum of particle is conserves when total force is 0. Then this law of conservation of linear momentums, this is law of conservation of linear momentums. If P is conserves are constant. Okay, understand?